Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. So for today's video, I partnered up with FabFitFun and I wanted to show you guys what I received. So FabFitFun just released their fall editor's box. Here is an overall view of what is in here. I'm so excited to show you guys. It smells so good. I think it's from the salt, but I'll show you guys. I'm obsessed with how good it smells. Like, it's such a clean scent. So if you're not familiar with what FabFitFun is, they're more of a seasonal subscription box. They're not monthly like some subscription boxes, and I really like the seasonal because I feel like all of their products kind of go along with the seasons, and it's a mixture of beauty items, lifestyle items, and just, I don't know, I just like the variety. Like, it's not just beauty related items. It's kind of cool that, you know, it contains things that I can use and my husband can use, and I feel like the price isn't too bad. But I always try to justify subscription boxes and think, like, would I purchase these things? And right away I can tell you that there are 3 things that I would have purchased anyways that would have probably totaled up to $50 anyway. So I always try to make sure that it's worth it. And what's really cool about FabFitFun is that you can customize some items, so you can switch out some items. And a little something that I appreciate about FabFitFun is that all of their products and items are cruelty free, and it's also more than just a membership. You also get access to discounts. I believe there's like FabFitFun TV and just a bunch of other things that is available on their website. Plus you get to try new products, you get to learn about new brands, and FabFitFun loves to support women-owned businesses, and they were actually founded by women. If you guys are interested in signing up for FabFitFun, or if you want to learn more about it, make sure to check my description box down below. And if you are interested in signing up, you can use the code SOPHIALOVES for $10 off of your box. There's a little sheet with a note, and it just has some information about the items in your box and how much it's worth, the value of it, and things like that. The first item is the Free People and Understated Leather Starry-Eyed Travel Eye. And this is actually really beneficial for my husband because he can't sleep if there's a lot of light. So when we travel, I always make sure to keep like an eye cover in my bag for him. This is a vegan leather eye mask and features a removable, non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. It has a little bit of weight, so I kind of assumed that there was something in here that keeps your eyes cool. Next up is the Spongelli, I think, Spongel. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but this is a body buffer, and this is in Fresh Pear. It has a really nice, pleasant floral scent. Like, it doesn't smell overwhelming. This is a body wash and buffer in one, so you just get it wet and you just use it on your body. You don't have to use an extra body wash with this one. It's really convenient. It's just 2 in 1. Next up are some samples, and I love samples like this for when I travel. I don't know about you guys. I don't know if you guys actually use samples that you receive, but I actually do keep them, especially good quality ones like this. Like, I just love bringing it with me. It's a chance for me to try something new. Plus, it's easy to just throw in your bag and you don't have to worry about things getting all over the place in your luggage. These are the Apothecary Essentials, and this one is Vanilla Argan Oil, Sweet Almond Shampoo and Conditioner, and the Rosehip Oil, Geranium, Aloe Vera Shampoo and Conditioners. Next up is the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream, and this is exactly what I need, especially for this season. I live in Minnesota, and fall here is pretty much winter. Like, it's already like 30-40 degrees, and it's just so cold. So we have the heat on when it gets really cold, and my hands are already starting to get really dry. I get dry eczema. It has like such a nice scent. It's a water scent, and I actually like water scents. I mean, I know that sounds weird, but I mean, water really doesn't have a scent, but it's like the water scent is just like a fresh scent. And this I would have purchased anyway because I really need this. I already have like eczema that's starting, and I already feel it on this side. I'm actually going to go ahead and apply some right now. I always like to focus the product on the back of my hand, so I apply it on the back of my hand first and then spread it like that, and then with whatever's left I do it on my hand. This is a limited edition special size, and I like how it gives my skin a nice glow. You guys can see it's kind of red right there because it's been itchy. Next up is the Cobra wireless earbuds. This one has the music and phone call controller, and it goes around your neck so it stays connected you know, you can't just lose one side. And this is something that I would have purchased anyways. This one is actually a $40 value, and this one is a $33 value. So these two alone would have been $73 already. Next up are the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. And I've been wanting to try these for so long. I could just never get myself to purchase them because they are double the price of the face mask that I usually buy. But I have been wanting to try this. So this one is actually like a bubbling mask. And these two are $18 value, so they're about $9 each. So like I said, these three alone I would have purchased anyway. I always want to make sure it's worth my money if I'm gonna get a subscription box. Next up are the crown brushes. So this brush set retails for $75, and I just love brushes. So these are the brushes right here, and this is a big face brush. This looks like a contour blush brush, eyeshadow, blending, concealer, and an eyebrow brush. And these are synthetic bristles as well. This smells so good. Right when I received this box and like I opened it, I could smell all of the fragrances already, and I just love that they're really light scents. This is the Cusio Somatology. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but this is the Yoga Detox Bath, and this, I believe it's like a salt bath. So I'm really excited to use this because I'm in my last trimester of pregnancy and my body is just so sore. Something as simple as a Target trip just exhausts my body so much. So I just get really tired and I get a lot of backaches and I get shin splints, muscle spasms, and things like that. So this is exactly what I need. And last but not least is the Summer and Rose Brittany Tote in the color navy. This actually wouldn't be a bad hospital bag. I really like the rope handles. I feel like this would be a really nice beach bag in the summertime. But I like that it has the zipper on top so that I don't have to worry about my things falling out. Oh, and it's lined with like a plastic, so that's really nice in case I put something wet in here and it spills or something. But it's just the perfect size to carry all of your essentials. Alright you guys, so that is it. Thank you so much to FabFitFun for partnering with me on this video. Make sure to check the description box down below for more info and if you just want to learn more about it before you actually make the purchase. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you all later. Bye!